Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are looking to do some yard maintenance, in particularly taking care of those leaves and debris, or even like that white fluffy snow of yours. And it is a really powerful leaf blower. So this was sent over by a company called WeChip. It's going to come in this nice little hard case, which makes storing super easy. All the components fit in here. Obviously, you're also going to get a nice little user manual that tells you about it. We're covering all the features here in the video. Now, they're going to include a pair of basically earplugs if you want to utilize them. They're in this little package. I haven't used them, but you can utilize them. Then it's going to come with 2 batteries, so you have plenty of battery life when utilizing these things. Each battery is rated for 2,600 mAh as far as capacity. You're going to have just a little standard plug here. Then you're going to have a little adapter. It's going to plug into the end of the battery, so very easy to use, and they just slide into the bottom of the device, as you can see, like so. Now, as you can see, the device itself here, very easy to utilize, also very light. So you're not going to get any wrist or arm fatigue if you're one of those big blowers, if you're those are hard for you to handle. This is perfect because it's nice and light. It's obviously not as long. It's a little bit shorter, but it is just as powerful. So this thing has a 30,000 RPM brushless motor on here, and it can go up to about 145 miles per hour as far as the wind coming right out of the fan. So got a powerful setting on it as far as blowing away stuff. Now, it has multiple adapter pieces that you can utilize. So the first one is just the little tube here. So just go ahead, this slides in place, and now you can just utilize the tube. If you're wanting to concentrate that air and you get any stubborn, like let's say the leaves are wet, they're gonna be harder to blow around, then you can go ahead and utilize the funnel tube. Then once again, it just slides on place, and then you twist it, and then you can utilize this to go ahead and blow around that debris a little bit easier. But if you're wanting to spread out the air to where it's more in a kind of horizontal position, distribute that air more wider, if you will, then they have the little horizontal funnel itself, so you can utilize this to target as well. So depending on your situation, you got a little basically connection piece on the end for each scenario. But I absolutely love how lightweight it is, makes it super easy to control. As far as the settings, you're just gonna simply hold down the trigger. And as you can see, it gets really loud. So however hard you're pulling back on the trigger, that is basically going to determine how much air comes out, which is also going to determine how long the battery life lasts. So if you're doing it more on the lower settings, the battery is obviously going to last a lot longer. If you're doing it on the higher settings, it's going to go out a lot faster. But that is why they also give you 2 batteries, so that way you can get your job done. I have no issues doing my house but with basically 1 battery, but I have a smaller property. If you have a bigger property, you may need the 2 batteries. But absolutely love how lightweight it is and how easy it is to storage. It doesn't take up a lot of room, it just fits in this hard case. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great cordless leaf blower, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.